How to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Let's head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile picture on the bottom right to go to your profile. Here you can see your cover photo. Bottom of your cover photo you can see the camera option. Click on it. Few options will pop up, like you can choose to upload a new photo or pick one from your existing Facebook albums. For this tutorial, we'll upload a fresh one. Select Upload Photo and find the image you want on your device. Once your photo is uploaded, you can drag it to position it just right. Take your time to adjust it so it looks perfect. Then click on Save button. Your cover photo will be updated. Wait! Here are the trick comes out. If you scroll down, you can see your cover photo here. Oh, not there. Let me refresh. Yeah. Now you can see it. At the top right of the post, you can see 3 dots. Tap on it. In the pop menu, select Hide from Profile. Facebook asks for your confirmation. Again, tap on Hide. And that's it. Your cover photo will be removed from the timeline. So, people won't see it, and they can't respond to your cover photo.